Good afternoon, my dear class 10 students. I am Mrs. Parvati, PGT Physics, Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today I am with the topic Principal Construction and Working of Electric Motor. Very interesting. In the last episode, I have explained to you when a conductor carrying current placed in uniform magnetic field, it exerts force or it exerts torque. Torque means turning effect. It rotates. That is called torque is exhibited. Okay. So when a conductor carrying current is placed in a uniform magnetic field, it exerts torque or force. Because of the force, the conductor starts moving. That is rotating. So turning effect. This is the main principle of electric motor. What is electric motor? Electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means force, torque, turning effect we are drawing from the electric motor. You know Tullu pump, you must have heard. We can lift the water from the bottom tank to the top tank of the building with the help of pump. That is nothing but motor, electric motor. Okay, the main principle. So a device which converts mechanical energy, which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is called electric motor, right? Its principle is whenever a conductor carrying current is placed in uniform magnetic field, it executes torque or it executes force. That in the last episode we have done the experiment, we have shown. Okay, now what is the construction of this? It consists of 4 parts mainly. Number 1 is field magnet. What is field magnet? There is a soft iron core on which an insulated copper wire of number of turns, as many as you can, it depends on the usage, are wound on the soft iron core that will act as an armature. What is the meaning of armature? Armature is nothing but it is a soft iron core on which the insulated copper wire is wound. So it will act as a coil carrying current. And this copper wire is connected to insulated copper wire ends are connected to the battery. So that current is flowing in the armature. Armature means coil carrying current. Okay. And the second one is field magnet. What is field magnet? A strong magnetic poles we take. North pole and south pole. In between there is a magnetic field. In between we place this armature, current carrying coil. And the third is split rings. At the end of the coil there is an axle. Axle is in the form of cylinder. Okay. On this axle there is a split rings. Split rings means there is a ring of course, but it is split into 2 halves. 2 halves here. Okay. And split rings helps the coil carries current to reverse every half rotation. The current flowing through the coil reverses its direction. That is the action of split rings. That is called commutator. Right? And the fourth one is, you know what? Brushes made up of metallic or carbon brushes. And these are the points from where we are getting the output. What is the output here? Motion, force, rotation. Okay, that like that. And the last one is battery. Of course, it is necessary to supply the current to the armature. So this is about the construction. So how does it work? When the current is flowing through the armature, then what happened? Armature, by using Fleming's left hand rule in the last episode we have studied, in which direction the arm ABCD coil is turning inward and upward. As a result, continuously it is rotating. If it completes half rotation, then with the help of split rings here, the current flows in the reverse direction. So again AB will come up and CD will go down this time. In the last first half rotation, AB will be going down and inward you can call it as, and CD will be coming up. This time it is reverse here. In that way continuously rotating here. In this way the motor will work out and it will give you the rotational motion through which we will connect to the axle here. This axle is connected to the output here from where we draw the motion of the if the axle rotates, then the motor also will rotate, then the water can be lifted. The main principle diagram we are showing here, electric motor here, right? So this is the diagram of electric motor. This is the diagram of electric motor. It consists of, I told you, first one is field magnet. NS is a field magnet, strong magnet. And ABCD is an armature. What is armature? I explained already. Armature is nothing but a soft iron core can be taken on which insulated copper wire is wound on that one. The two ends of the wire, copper wire, are connected to X and Y. X and Y are the points which can be supplied the current. They are connected to the battery and key. So current flows through X and Y point to the armature here. And here the X and Y slip rings also we can call it as here. Okay. Then brushes. These are the brushes, split rings. These are the split rings and brushes X and Y through which the current is supplied and axle to rotate the coil. This is about construction. Now working. Which rule we are to use? Fleming's left hand rule. When the current flows, see positive direction here, current is flowing A. Through A it is entering. So current is like this, magnetic field is like this, current is moving up. In which direction AB arm is moving, inward or outward, that I would like to explain. By using left hand here, see the magnetic field and current. Where is my thumb? Where is my thumb? Inward. So AB will move inward. At the same time, current is flowing from C to D. That is, current is like this. Magnetic field is same. The thumb is towards you, perpendicular to the plane of the paper, outward here. So that is when AB is moving inside, CD is outside. By that time, what happens here? Current, when half rotation is over, then because of the slip rings here, it reverses the direction of current. They will rotate like that. So here, current is reversing the direction, both the arms. Then again the motion will be in the like this. Again AB will be outward and CD will be inward. Okay, in this way continuous rotation will be supplied with the help of slip rings here. Slip rings role is nothing but it will act as a commutator. What is commutator? Commutator is very important questions for the board examination. What is the role of split ring? What is a commutator? It is a device used to reverse the direction of flow of current in every half rotation. What is role of split ring commutator? It reverses the direction of flow of current in every half rotation so that continuous motion, rotation we can apply. We can get it, we can achieve it, continuous rotation. So in this way we are doing, by using left hand rule only we have to decide, right? So this is about the construction and working of the electric motor and what are the uses of electric motor. Uses of electric motor are very easy. In fans also there is electric motor. To lift the water from ground floor to top floor of the building we use that. But very high powerful motor that we use. But in fan also small motor will be used here. And refrigerators, electromagnets, motors, refrigerators, mixers, washing machines, computers, MP3 players, etc. are the uses of electric motor here. Generally in the when axle rotates, then we are connecting to the output here. As a result, it is also rotating. The commercial motors use electromagnet and large number of turns in the armature of the coil and soft iron core. What does the commercial motors they use? They use electromagnets. They don't use the direct permanent magnets. They use electromagnets. And also large number of turns in the armature coil also they use. And soft iron, on the soft iron core they wound all these insulated copper wire with a large number. So these are the commercial motors. Description is little bit different. They use electromagnet and they use large number of turns in the armature, and on the soft iron core they wound it here. So once again, what are the uses of electric motor? The electric motor uses is nothing but electric fans, refrigerators, mixers, washing machines, computers and MP3 players here. Right? So what is the role of split ring commutator? A device that reverses the direction of current through the circuit half period in the every half rotation is called commutator. So what is the role of split ring commutator? It reverses the direction of flow of current periodically. What do you mean by periodically? In regular intervals of time. How much time? Every half rotation. It's clear? So this is the principal construction and working of electric motor. With the diagram you practice it, children. What is the rule we use? Fleming's left hand rule. With that only we will find out in which direction the armature is moving. AB is moving inside or outside, like that we can decide here. Okay. Take care. See you. Bye bye.